We're about to explore how you can harness the full creative power of Leonardo AI's advanced Alchemy feature. Without any cost, Alchemy is a remarkable tool designed to elevate your AI-generated images. Infusing them with superior detail, heightened realism, and refined artistic flair, you might be wondering if a paid subscription is a prerequisite for this. While this is often the case, we have effective methods to access its capabilities for free. Let's first clarify what Alchemy entails. It's important to understand that Alchemy isn't a separate AI model itself. Rather, it functions as an enhancement layer, applying sophisticated AI processing after the initial image generation. Consider it an advanced AI post-processing system that perfects textures, lighting, and overall visual harmony. The secret to utilizing Alchemy without charge lies within Leonardo AI's very generous free tier and its occasional promotional offers. While continuous, unlimited access to Alchemy typically necessitates a paid subscription, Leonardo AI frequently grants a specific allotment of free Alchemy credits on a daily or weekly basis. It's essential to monitor your credit balance vigilantly, which is usually clearly displayed on your user dashboard. To make the most of these complimentary credits, a strategic approach is paramount. Avoid applying Alchemy indiscriminately to every image you produce. Instead, reserve it for those creations that show the most promise. Begin by generating several variations of an image using the standard generation tools. Then meticulously select the one that boasts the most compelling composition and concept. Once you've identified your top candidate, proceed to the generation settings. You will typically find a specific option dedicated to Alchemy. Activate this feature. It's important to be aware that applying Alchemy will deduct one of your valuable free credits. You may also encounter adjustable sliders or distinct Alchemy presets for free usage. Begin with Alchemy's default settings. These are generally fine-tuned for broad enhancement. The true value of Alchemy lies in its capacity to impart that final touch of excellence. You'll observe sharper details, more authentic lighting, and a richer spectrum of colors. Alchemy has the power to elevate a good image to an extraordinary one. Patience is key. The Alchemy processing may require a short additional time, but the enhanced outcome is almost always worth the wait. Beyond the daily credit allocation, Leonardo AI occasionally hosts special events or offers limited-time free trials, during which specific premium features, including Alchemy, become temporarily accessible to all users. Actively following Leonardo AI on social media platforms and subscribing to their newsletter are highly effective methods for staying informed about these opportunities. Remember, consistent engagement and careful credit management are your most valuable assets for enjoying the magic of Alchemy for free.